So this is the Samsung Galaxy F15 that I have here, and there is weird issue that I have found with the camera setup here. So this is the, as you can see, viewfinder, right? So as you are seeing, if you notice here properly, we are in video mode here. So this is the normal mode. Once I tap on this filter area here, and this is original filter right now, and once I move to VAR mode, instantly it widens up, the angle gets widened, which means you are shooting with wide angle. I just thought that it's the wide angle setup that it is using, but that's not the case. Once I tap on original, you have the normal mode here. I don't know why it is taking extra wide when you turn on the filter. This is not the case with the photo mode, especially with the video mode it is doing so. And if I use the 0.5x, you get the fisheye kind of lens. It's very weird actually. If I hold the hands right here, as you can see, it's very close by and you are getting this fisheye kind of angle. So if I just tap on this one, again filters, let's move on to original here. As you can see, it got cropped up. So cropped up, again wide, crop, again wide. I don't know why this one is here. If Samsung notices this, maybe give a software update and make it proper. So this is a video mode and I'm in 1x zoom here. Let's say I'll just capture the video right away here. I'll show you what's the issue. So this is normal 1x mode and we have this quality here. So I'll just stop. Again I'll go to filters here. I'll change it to something like, we'll go to frosty mode, which is very close to the original mode here. I have not changed the zoom, it's still 1x, and I'll go ahead and capture the video. You'll see it in the screen here how weird the video is, and even it's quite shaky and it's not up to the mark. So I don't know what they have done here. Maybe it's a bug that they should actually update inside the software. So this is very weird that I have rarely seen in any cameras here. If I just tap on the filters, I use any filter, so it's not cropping up, it's just how it is and how it should be. So that's a little weird issue that I wanted to point out from the Samsung. So this is Samsung Galaxy F15. I am not sure how it is with the AF series or other series. So this is F15 and we have this issue right here. So I'll be making other videos as well. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and hit that like and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.